Is your HP printer showing a cartridge error and not sure how to fix it? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it in a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you easy method to resolve this error and get your printer back to normal. And if you need one-on-one assistance, you can always contact the experts using the numbers given on the screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, turn off your printer by pressing the power button. Now, check if it fixes the issue. If not, press and hold the power button. While keeping it pressed, press the cancel button 4 times, then press the copy button and then release it. Repeat this step until the printer starts printing a page. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Once your printer prints a page, the cartridge error should be resolved. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.